Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, we're going to make 3 awesome projects from just one image. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back. To all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers, thank you all so much for the wonderful ways that you are supporting my channel. I really do appreciate it. Today, y'all, we are going to make the cutest and simplest skinny card, gift card, or cash wallet, from one image. I'm going to show you how. So I'll give you a closer look at these in just a minute, but y'all know what time it is? It's time to make it. Here's a closer look at what we're going to be making today. We are going to make the cutest cash wallet or gift card wallet using the same image that we'll be using on everything else. So when you open it, we have just a very simple inside, and we have our pocket right here. This measures 3 1/4 by 7 1/8. Then we're going to make a skinny card that measures 2 3/4 by 7 1/8. You can decorate these little cuties any way that you want. And then finally, we're going to make this sweet little gift card wallet or money holder. And this one finished measures 4 1/4 by 3 5/8. Super easy. And I'm going to show you what I will be using for this. So I'm going to be using more of the digital 8 1/2 by 11 inch papers that I have been creating and providing on my channel. So this will give you an idea of how you can use your 8 1/2 by 11 inch papers. If you have papers that are the same and you want to get that cohesive look, go ahead and pull out your 8 1/2 by 11s or cut down your 12 by 12s to 8 1/2 by 11. Either way, you can do this project without purchasing these digitals, but if you want to purchase them, they are going to be available on my website. Remember, these are digitals, so whenever you purchase a digital file, nothing will be mailed to you. But I really want to stress the fact that you don't have to have the digital papers to be able to do projects like this. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just walk you through the 4 images that are in the file. So this one is the envelope page, and it's a full 8 1/2 by 11, and it will be downloaded in the portrait mode. And then we have the smaller gift card holders. Each one will make 2. This will also print in the orientation of portrait on 8 1/2 by 11, and we will be modifying this just a little bit as we make the project. So I'll be showing you exactly how to cut your papers if you decide to purchase the digitals. Then we have the money holder, gift card holder page, and it is a full 8 1/2 by 11 inch page, but we are going to trim this down. Then we have our skinny cards, and these actually will print out as landscape, but they will not fill the page. So when your page prints, there is not a problem with it, because I wanted these to be reduced in size, and we'll go through the cutting of these. So the first thing we are going to start with are the skinny cards. So I am going to be using my trimmer, and I am just going to trim on the 8 1/2 inch side to remove that white space at the top. And then I'm going to trim at 7 1/8. So these are going to be 7 1/8 of an inch tall, and I did want to let you know that these will have the saying, "Be the reason someone smiles today," on the back. So they will come with that pre-printed on the back. And then I'm going to take this, put it in at 5 1/2 and cut. So now I have 2 skinny cards. Then on the 5 1/2 inch side, we're going to score at 2 3/4 on both. 2 3/4, and then we are going to fold and burnish. And y'all, if you don't want the saying on the back, I will have a page in there that won't have the saying on the back, so you'll have it both ways. So there are our 2 skinny cards. We're going to go ahead and make all the projects first, and then we'll do our decorating. So I am going to take this piece, and we'll be using this to make the money holder or the card wallet. And all we do here is we're going to take it on the 8.5 inch side, and let's go ahead and trim it to 7 1/8. Then I'm going to turn it to the 11 inch side, and we're going to score at 3 1/4 and at 6 1/2. And so then we're going to flip it, and you'll have this white border and the black and white stripes. We're going to take that score mark, position it at 2 1/2, and trim away a portion of this. So now we'll go ahead and fold and burnish this. I'm going to take my oval punch and just notch out so that you'll know there's a finger grab there. Take some glue and go ahead and just close this. Now the back of this one I have created by. This will be a blank offering as well. So you can mark it, or you'll have the page you can download that won't have anything on the back. So now we have these. I'm going to bring in the 4 1/4 inch cards. We're going to take this and trim it at 9 on the 11 inch side. So we have a piece that is 8 1/2 by 9. We're going to take it on the 8 1/2 inch side, and we're going to trim at 4 1/4. And now you'll get 2 cards from this one sheet. So then I'm going to take this, we place it in, and we're going to score at 3 5/8 and at 7 3/8 on the 9 inch side. So that's 3 5/8 and 7 3/8 on the 9 inch side. So now we can take this and fold. And while we're doing this, I just want to take a moment to say that from time to time, I will misspeak or I will make mistakes, and I try to correct it on the screen when I do. But remember this, at the end of the day, I'm human, and I'm going to make mistakes that I might not even catch. I'm not intentionally misspeaking. I just happen to be like you, human. So from time to time, I'm going to make a mistake. So now I'm going to take my little card here and just notch out so that you will also know that there is a finger grab there, and you can go on the inside and grab that card or grab that money, whatever happens to be on the inside. But you guys, I really do appreciate the support that I get from y'all, but from time to time, some of the comments can just be a little bit kooky. So now, y'all, I am going to take my scissors, and I'm just going to round this a little bit, and I'm going to show you very quickly how easy it is to decorate these. And then we're going to make an envelope for these skinny cards as well as the money wallet. The envelope will be an all-in-one, so it'll hold both. So what I have are a couple of sticker sheets, and I just want to show you how easy it is to take sticker sheets and create a beautiful front and inside to your card. So this one is going to be very, very simple, and y'all know that I like to keep my cards simple. I don't do anything that is really what some would consider heavily embellished. I just like to grab some stickers and place them down like that. Super, super easy. Then we can take this one and place it right there. Then over on this side, I am just going to take this sticker, place it here at the top, and it says A Perfect Christmas. So you can see that I have a beautiful little card that has a crooked label on the front. That's okay, I'm just going to leave it. But here I have my writing space. Then if I wanted to, I can add something there. Let's do this one, and let's see if I can get just a little bit better placement. Sometimes it's hard to see when you're doing it looking down from a seated position. So I'm going to take that one there that says, "We wish you a Merry Christmas." Go ahead and open it. On the inside, I'm going to take this little snowman. We're going to place him right there at the bottom. And I'm going to take this piece, we'll place it right there. And I'll take my little Merry Christmas sticker and place it right there. That is how easy it was for me to make 2 very quick and easy skinny cards. Now we're going to take this money holder, and y'all, this will be even easier because I am going to take the word joy, place it down on the inside like that. I am going to get this one that says, "Don't get your tinsel in a tangle," and we're going to place it right there. So now we have a way of sealing this. I'm just going to gently lift it without tearing it, and we have "Don't get your tinsel in a tangle." We have 2 skinny cards, and now we have our money wallet. It's going to be oh so easy. I am going to take this sticker here that says holiday. We're going to place that sticker right there, and y'all, that's really all I'm going to do to the front of this. Then here on the inside, I am going to take this wreath, take the inside there, let's get that placed. Then I want something for this side. I think I'm going to try the Santa. I might have to fold him over just a little bit to the back, but that's okay because I think he adds a little bit of cheer. And instead of folding him over, I'm just going to remove a little bit of Santa. And so there, y'all, we have our little money wallet. See how easy this is? So we have 2 ways of gifting, cash or cards, and then we have 2 really cute skinny cards. Let's make that envelope, and then, y'all, we are done. All right, y'all, so here is the page to make the envelope. So on the 11-inch side, we're going to score at 3 1/4, at 6 5/8. Then I'm just going to remove some of this because we don't need it to be as large as it is. So I'm actually going to remove it and trim it down to 9. So we're going to have an 8 1/2 by 9-inch piece that I'm cutting. Then on the 8 1/2-inch side, we score at 1/2 inch. We rotate to the opposite 8 1/2-inch side and score at 1/2 inch. So what I've demoed, y'all, throughout this video is how to cut down the digital files if you purchase them. If you don't, you can simply use the measurements that I provided on your own papers, and it's going to be just as beautiful and just as much fun as this. Then grab some of your favorite stickers and decorate. So all I'm going to do is angle in here, angle in there to free that flap. Then I'll angle in there. Do the same thing over here. Angle in to free my flaps. And then I remove the 4 corners by angling in as I cut. So let's just do this one. And let's do this one. And I'm going to go ahead and just round my ends on the envelope, and this envelope will hold the skinny card as well as the gift card wallet. So I'm going to take my glue. This is the widest portion, so I'll place the glue here. Place my glue here. And then I'll fold up. Let's go ahead and get that stuck. And there is my envelope. I'm going to go ahead and take another sticker and place that sticker right here on the back, like that. And then I'll take the one that says Merry Christmas and we'll place it right there. Then I'm going to take a piece of tape and place some tape across the top. So if you want to seal this and hand it off to someone, you're really good to go. And one thing that I should have shared is if you want to make your envelope so that it's mailable in the USPS system, go ahead and keep your measurements at 8.5 by 9, but when you score at 3.5 and at 7 1/8, and that makes it eligible to go in the postal system. This one, because it's 3 1/4, isn't, I don't think, but you can check with your post office. But let's go ahead and take our card and place it on the inside, and you can see that it fits. And then because this is the widest one, we know that our little skinny card is going to fit in here as well. So one thing I think I am going to do is I am just going to go ahead and notch out just a little bit of that, so you'll know when you open it that there is a tuckable right inside. But y'all, wasn't that easy? And wasn't that just so much fun? We're able to take our 8.5 by 11s and we're able to use those in creating a very cohesive look in our paper crafting. So if you're interested, these are available on my website. If not, have fun using the beautiful papers that you have personally purchased, that you enjoyed at the time that you purchased it. If you are going to purchase these, make sure you refer back to the video so that you can see how to make your cuts and then how to make your scores. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this really fun video. If you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.